In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a trifold brochure in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click the Create a Design button and type brochure in the search bar. Canva will show different brochure templates. Look for a trifold brochure template and select one that fits the style you want. When you click on a template, it will open in the Canva editor. After the template loads, you can start customizing the design. Click on any text box and replace the sample text with your own information, such as your business name, services, or event details. You can also change the images by clicking on them and uploading your own photos through the Uploads panel on the left side. Drag the images into place to replace the template pictures. Adjust the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand or theme. You can move elements around, resize sections, or add icons and shapes from the Elements panel to improve the design. Remember that a trifold brochure usually has 3 sections on each side, so organize your content carefully. The front panel can include a title or introduction. The inside panels can include details about your services or information, and the back panel can include contact details. Once your brochure design is finished, go to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the menu, select Download and choose PDF if you plan to print the brochure. Click Download and Canva will save the brochure file to your device. That is how you create a trifold brochure in Canva.